Hey guys, and welcome to another episode. Today is the International Pancake Day, and of course, I'm making pancakes. Now, the best way to make pancake mix out on a trip is do it before and put it in an easy squeeze bottle that you can take out with you. And of course, you need to keep it warm because the International Pancake Day is in February and it can be quite cold. So I put more in a thermos to keep it from freezing. The pancakes we made today were the gluten-free variant. I'll show you how I made the recipe at home. So for the pancakes, it's a real easy recipe. Just add your gluten-free flour mix, eggs, and milk. Mix well, add the eggs, and make a smooth, even batter. Add the mix to the container you're going to bring out with you, and of course make sure that if it's really cold, that they're very well insulated. So I pour the pancakes into this sauce dispenser. You can use anything you want, just wash it out, and this one was for taco sauce, and it makes it a lot easier to dispense when you're out. When you're gonna fry your pancakes, all you need is a little bit of butter. Now if you found that you put too much butter in the pan, when you got enough, just pour the rest back and use it for later. Then pour it in. Okay, that was not good. I ran out of batter. As soon as it comes loose like this, you want to give it a flip. So the record for the highest pancake toss is 9.47 meters made in 2010. That's 31 feet and 1 inch. And pancakes can be enjoyed many ways, with blueberry jam, maple syrup, cream, berries, however you want it. However you make your pancakes, I hope you're enjoying it, whether you're at home or out in the forest. Happy International Pancake Day!